Hi students, in this video we will discuss about binary search tree operations. What are the operations we are doing with a binary search tree? Insertions, deletions, searching, traversing. In the traversing, mainly we have three important concepts. One is in-order traversing, pre-order, post-order. And also we can perform additional some operations, which is copying binary trees, testing for equality of binary tree. Let me explain one by one so that you can understand easily. So first I would like to explain about insertion operation. See, we have a tree. This is the existing tree. Is it a binary tree or binary search tree? Easily we can say it is a binary search tree. Why? Because it follows one rule. All the nodes which is less than the root node we placed at left subtree. All the nodes which is greater than the root node we placed at right subtree. So that it follows that condition. So it is called as binary search tree. Now in this tree, in this existing tree, I want to insert 23. So see, in memory wise you should construct it like nodes representation, linked representations. Same tree I mentioned in the form of linked representation. So tell me where we have to insert 23. Search starts from 10. It is greater than 23 is greater than 10. So immediately you have to insert it right subtree. So which means 23 is greater than 10. So simply right subtree, come to right subtree. 23 is greater than 20, come to right subtree of 20. 23 is greater than 22, so that come to the right subtree. Here again we have one more node which is 24. 23 is less than the 24, so simply here we have to insert left subtree of 24, we should insert 23. So simply like this. Previously it is null, but now we are going to be store 23 address here, so that it will create a link. Like that we are inserting the elements. Now come to the deletion. It is very important. Deletion a node from binary search tree depends on three different cases, which is deletion of a leaf node. I want to delete a leaf node, and deletion of a node having only one child, maybe either left or right, and deletion of a node having two children. Let me explain one by one with the help of the same structure. Assume this is your existing binary search tree. Now I want to delete a node which doesn't contain any children, which is also called as leaf node. That is very simple. So see, tell me what are the leaf nodes here? Can I say 6 is leaf node? No, because it contains a child. So what is a leaf node? A leaf node doesn't contain any children, either left or right. So leaf node is 8, 15, 21, 23. So all these nodes we can remove easily, because if I want to remove leaf node 23, simply here we can put null. Automatically this link will be destroyed. Suppose for example, if I want to remove 15, so simply here we can put null, so that the link will be destroyed. That is the first case. Now first case is over. What is the second case of deletion operation? Delete a node having one child. Okay. So see, now I want to delete 24 or 6, because these nodes having only one child. Maybe if it is a right or left. Whenever I want to delete a node having either right child or only left child, there are two cases. One is 24, another one is 6. So simply how to delete these nodes? Very simple. if I want to delete 24, the link will be destroyed here, but we will lose 23. We don't do like that. So whenever we are deleting 24, suppose 24 address is 400. Assume 24 address is 400. Memory addresses starts from 0 and so on. That's why we can mention addresses with any number. 24 address is what? 400. Previously here we placed it 400. Okay, then only it will connect 24 here. But now I want to delete 24 here. 23 address assume 600. So simply before deleting 24, now previous 400 now replaced with this node address 600. Then only we will keep that link as it is. Otherwise it will be destroys the links. So please understand how to delete a node which having either left or right. Simply instead of the previous address here, we will place the corresponding subtree address. Now for example, here see, address of 6 node is 700, address of 8 is 900. Assume. So here we have 700 address. Now I want to delete 6. So simply remove this 700. Instead of 700 we will place 900. And last scenario in deletion, delete a node having both left and right children's. Okay, see, suppose I want to delete root node. Whenever we are deleting root node, this tree divided into 2 different trees. So we don't do like that. Simply we will reconstruct it, we will rebuild it. So very simple, students, please understand. So I want to delete a root node or 20 because 20 is also having both children. Very simple. In that cases, this node, now root node will be replaced with the help of root node will be replaced largest element from the left subtree or smallest element from the right subtree. Suppose if I want to delete 10, so this node will be replaced with largest element from the left subtree. What is the largest element? 8. Okay. Now, or you go this scenario, or smallest elements from the right subtree. What is the smallest element? 15. Now you can place 15 here. So these are the 3 different cases whenever we are deleting a node. And come to the searching. Searching means find a particular element. Suppose from the T I want to search 24. So search starts from root node. 24 is greater than 10. So leave the left subtree so that it will reduce the search time complexity. That is the advantage of binary search tree. Okay. Now come to right subtree only. 24 is greater than 20. Come to right subtree. Again there is one more node. So search is always starts from root node to the leaf nodes. Now where we are in 22. 24 is greater than 22. So come to here. 24, what is the data here? 24. So we found here. That is called as searching. Now next operation is traversing. Traversing means visiting a node. Next operation is traversing. Traversing means visiting a node. We want to visit all the node one time. So but visiting the nodes are different types. One is in order, another one is pre-order, another one is post-order. So see, what is in order traversing? First we have to visit left subtree nodes, then data nodes. Data nodes means root nodes. Not all, I will explain. Next right subtree nodes. Let me explain. First take this tree Now I want to widget nodes by using in order. So in order rule is what? First widget left subtree nodes and data nodes and right subtree nodes. Okay, so listen carefully here, then you can understand. So what is the root node here, or also assume this is D, data node. Data node is 10. For the data node 10, what are the left subtree? This is totally is called left subtree, and this is totally is called right subtree. Okay, now what is the rule? First widget left subtree, so come down to the left subtree, but there is again a one more binary search tree. If it is also look like as a one more binary search tree, so simply apply the same rule, simply apply the same scenario, LDR. So while we are doing traversing, whenever we got one more process, simply apply the same rule. This is called as recursion process. You know what is recursion? Recursion is a function calling itself again and again until it is completed. Okay, now come down. Left subtree also look like as a again one more binary search tree. So same rule we have to apply. Left subtree. Is there any left subtree? No. So simply data node, widget data node. So 6. Now go to the right subtree, 8. Okay, left is over. Then we have to widget data, which is 10. 6, 8, 10, and come down to the right subtree. Now right subtree, again there is a like binary search tree. So simply apply recursion operation, LDR. Now come to the left subtree. 20 left subtree is only 15, so there is no other element, so simply write down. Now widget the data node 20. Now go to the right subtree. This is also totally right subtree. Now again there is a left and right node, so that this is assume root node, this is left, this is right. Okay, now after, can I write 22? No. First of all widget left side 21, next data 22. Now come to the right, but right also again one more BST, like BST. So what is the rule? LDR. Come to the left one, 23. Next root node 24. Is there any right subtree? No. So see, if you carefully observe, while we are traversing by using in order, all elements in one order, ascending order. So that is the one more advantage. So there may be a questions in 2 marks you will get. In which traversing order we will widget the elements in ascending? That is absolutely in order traversing. We will get all this data in ascending order. That is called as in order traversing. Okay. Next, pre-order traversing. Pre-order means first we have to widget to data node. Widget data node. Next only left and right. Same way, if you get any other subtrees internally, apply the same rule. Okay. Next, post order is also first widget left side, then only right side, and last you have to widget data nodes. So if you have any doubts, so see, this is the order. Please do practice. If you have any doubts, please put in comments. And finally, there are some additional operations of binary trees or binary search trees. There are two mainly: copying binary trees. Next one is testing for equality of binary tree or binary search tree. Copying binary tree means, suppose we have an existing tree. We have one existing tree. So I want to copy, this is tree name is A. I want to copy same tree. I want to copy this whole tree and name it as a B. So that is called as copying. Existing tree I want to copy as it is. That is one operation. And testing for equality of B trees, that is different. See students, there are two different trees. One is A, another one is B. This is one tree and this is another tree, and I would like to test equality of A and B, which means how many nodes are there, how many levels. I want to check whether the levels are equal or not. Like that, if I want to check, we have to use this operation, testing for equality of binary trees. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, please put comments. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.